Welcome to the new Expresándote page. We have streamlined the website and made some improvements to make your experience more enjoyable. As you may know, Expresándote is an online community where you get paid to share your opinions. All you have to do is participate in the online surveys we send you. Your opinion matters a lot to companies and organizations that provide the products and services that you consume, so they are willing to pay to hear from you. If you are already a member of Expresándote, you can log in here. Simply type in the email address connected to your account and your password and hit login. If you're not a member, you can register with us by filling out the form on the homepage of Expresándote. Please make sure to be as honest and detailed as possible with your responses so we can send you the most relevant surveys. Afterward, you'll receive an email to confirm your account and a profile survey to complete your registration. This is your homepage. At the top of the page, you can see your rewards points balance, which is the sum total of points you've accumulated. If you click here, you will be able to see your current point amount along with the transaction history of your points. You must have a minimum of 200 points to cash out. To cash out, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page, agree to the terms and conditions, and make a selection. You can choose a check or a virtual gift card. If you select the virtual gift card option, you will be sent an email within 1 to 3 business days with all of the possible gift cards you can choose from. Some of the options are the following: Amazon.com, Best Buy, Domino's, Old Navy, Sephora, Starbucks, Home Depot, Uber, Walmart, or Visa MasterCard virtual cards. Once you choose your virtual gift card, the system will automatically assign you a code that you can use online at the store you choose. If you close out of the browser without copying the code, don't worry. Just check the original email and it'll take you back to the page where the code is saved. If you decide to go with a virtual credit card, the process requires just a few more steps. After you confirm your selection, you will be asked to provide your name and address. After doing that, click on Activate My Card. You will be redirected to the Reward Center. Click I am not a robot, satisfy any CAPTCHA requirements if they're needed, and click Submit. Enter the fields requested. Confirm your information and agree to the terms and conditions. And there you have it. Here you can see the balance of your redeemed incentive. Remember, this is a virtual card, so you can only make online purchases with it. If you click here, you can see the card numbers to make a purchase. If you click here, you can flip the card and see the CVV number. We send checks via USPS mail, and those usually take about 2 weeks to arrive. For both options, you can redeem up to $100 per transaction. We always recommend using virtual incentives gift cards as we can always replace them at any given time. Checks are replaced if lost in the mail, but we do charge a small fee to process a new check. Going back to the homepage, you can see there's a section that shows you your available surveys. You can see surveys that are brand new and also surveys that you've already started but may have left unfinished for whatever reason. We encourage you to complete your surveys as soon as you get them since space may be limited. Besides participating in our surveys, you can also earn points by referring your friends to our site. For every referral, you earn 10 points. You can refer as many people as you would like. To refer a friend, simply click on the Refer a Friend tab and fill in the appropriate fields. Please note that our team needs to verify their information before we award you the 10 points for the referral. We may also have additional questions, which then our team will call to confirm over the phone. Keeping your profile updated is essential for you to receive the best and most relevant surveys to you. For example, you may have changed jobs or you may have recently welcomed a child. These details affect the types of surveys you qualify for. In addition, if you have recently moved, you will need to update your address so that we can send you your redeemed points to the correct location. Finally, if you would like to learn more about our website, visit our Frequently Asked Questions page by clicking on the How It Works tab. We hope you enjoy the new Expresándote.com. If you still have questions, you can send us a message by clicking on the Contact Us tab. Expresándote. Hazte escuchar, date a entender.